you drive in Bentonville, get ready to see more construction on the roads. 4029's Brad Carl is in Bentonville now and shows us where a highway is now under construction. It's new at 6.
All this construction along Highway 12 is to make it wider. The city says this area has seen explosive amounts of growth, and the highway just isn't moving traffic along like it should.
If you get out there between 7:30 and 8 o'clock, it's gridlock.
Neighbors say it's a badly needed widening project, and the city of Bentonville agrees.
This is the area of the city of Bentonville where our growth is occurring, especially our residential growth.
City engineer Mike Churchwell says that growth is what's behind all the congestion on Highway 12. Now the city and highway department are working together to expand the highway. Here's a look at the area under construction. It's along Highway 12 on the west side of town, stretching about 2.5 miles westward from Walton Boulevard to Shell Road, where the highway turns south. The road will be expanded to 5 lanes total, 2 going in each direction, with a turn lane down the center.
And that would just be fantastic for the congestion that builds up, particularly in the mornings.
The highway department says those traveling through here can expect to see delays at times, along with flaggers, once construction ramps up here over the next few months. In Bentonville, Brad Carl, 4029 News.
Thank you, Brad. Construction on Highway 12 expected to be done in 2 years.